At first glance, you wouldn't necessarily think that this was a mint. But let's look closer. Remember that plants are put in groups according to their families, and the families are according to how the flowers are. The mints are the Lippenblumen, the lipped flowers. And we can see the lips of those flowers. We also know that the mints have persistent calyxes. The petals are fused into a corolla, the 5 petals forming those 2 lips, and then the sepals are fused, 5 sepals, into a calyx which hangs out. If you've ever worked with motherwort, you know about those calyxes in motherwort. They are quite sharp. And as we look at this, we don't think that it has a typical mint look, but oh yeah, the stem is square and the leaves are opposite each other, even though they're kind of long for mint leaves. But we don't identify plants by the mints. What is this? This is chia. This is chia. This beautiful, beautiful flower produces seeds. Every single one of these persistent calyxes will form 4 seeds. And as you can see, there's going to be a lot of seeds. It turns out that the wild chia has very small seeds, and that the cultivated ones, even though they're still pretty small, are quite a bit bigger than the wild chia seeds. We've been being served beverages that have a little chia seed sprinkled in it. It swells up with the water, and it helps retain that water in your system. Here at 2 miles high, it's really dry, and it's important to keep yourself hydrated. But you've probably noticed, and I know for sure, that the more water I drink, the less hydrated I am. So I'm not drinking water, I'm drinking herbal tea. I don't have infusion here, and if I have to drink water, I look around to see if I can find some chia seed. They've also been serving us some pomegranate juice, which is mixed with hibiscus tea, and that has been very lovely, and sometimes there's a little chia seed in that as well. If you're thinking of using chia seed to help become more regular, there is one caution, and that is because the seed swells up, and it swells up a lot, it's important that you don't consume it dry. You have to put it in some kind of liquid. You can make a chia seed pudding, or just like we're doing here, a little bit of chia seed sprinkled into your tea. Wait a moment, let it swell up, and you're good to go. Chia seed, you are beautiful. I'm so glad to meet you.